Yeah, so if you want the best sound, the loudest note, that said, best sound and loudest note aren't always the same thing.
I agree.
But, so best sound is if you run straight pipe. Now that's going to give you your loudest note. However, what we do recommend, and pretty much for every vehicle, we've got different noise level options. So most vehicles, what I think is the best sound is when you put that little hot dog resonator in there, because it just takes that edge off. It's not as rowdy, and just gives it a nice smooth note that really, you know, when you put your foot down and open up the throttle, sounds really nice, but it doesn't sort of give you that thong slap or that real barking sort of sound. The only exception to that is your naturally aspirated vehicles. So you don't want to really run a resonator on them because they really get super loud without any mufflers in there.
Yep.
So you want to run a bit of a muffler in there. You'll still get a note. You know, your turbo on your turbo diesel vehicles does actually shut them up quite a bit. But yeah, if you're naturally aspirated, chuck a bit of a muffler in there. On a turbo vehicles, I reckon what we call our medium option, which is with the hot dog in there. So
Beautiful.
they sound pretty good.